We'll guide you through how to transfer contacts from an iPhone to a Samsung. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've just gone and started using a Samsung phone, and now you've got some contacts on your iPhone that you want to go and get on here so you can go and get in contact with who you want. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if we come onto the iPhone, I'll just go and open up contacts. You can go and see my different contacts here. And if I come into contacts on my Samsung, I'll swipe up. Here is contacts. You'll see I haven't currently got any. So what we need to do here is on the iPhone in the contacts app, you want to press the back button in the top left. Then you can find iPhone and tap and hold your finger there. Then you can go and find your contacts and tap and hold your finger there. And you want to go and press export like so. Then you can go and press the tick in the top right and you'll get this pop-up. You can go and find the option for mail or Gmail and we can then tap on it. You can then go and type in your email. Of course, make sure you go and type in the email that you go and have on the Samsung. Then we can go and press send in the top right and it will then go and be sent. Now what we need to do is go and open up the mail app. So I've got this Google folder where Gmail is. You can always go into the app pages and go and find it though. Then you want to go and find the option here and go and tap on it. And here it is. So then you want to go and tap on this file here and it's going to go and download. And where it says contacts, you can tap on it and you can go and press just once or always. It'll then open up and you can press import in the bottom right and you can choose where to. I'll do it to the phone. Then you can press import in the bottom right and that's it. Now go and open up the contacts app and you'll go and find the contacts there.